In this section, I want to talk about the quickest ways to lose your money. That way you can just avoid all of this from the get-go. Number one is to buy a really expensive computer, kind of like this setup here. While trading may be easier on a computer, everything can be done from your phone. Try things out on your phone and save that money for when you go live with your account. A lot of people want the ultimate setup as a trader before they even begin learning. Take things slowly when it comes to buying a bunch of technology. The second way to lose all your money is focusing on trying to find the perfect technical indicator. Like we talked about, there's no indicator that is going to be 100% perfect all the time, so don't waste time trying to find it. Number three is to buy right when your indicator says a pair is oversold, or sell right when it says the market is overbought. Indicators alone are not always enough, so you should always look for other indicators in the market that also signal the same trade. For example, you can see here that multiple times it was saying that the market was overbought, which would be a good time to sell. And you can see on pretty much all of these examples, had you sold right away when it hit the overbought area, you would have been in a bad position and you probably would have lost money. Number four is to ignore the current or future economic strength of the biggest countries in the world. If you ignore what is happening around the globe, you'll run into huge, unexpected swings in the market that could cause you to lose a lot. So pay attention to events going around the world, elections, anything like that. The fifth way to lose your money is to go through different trading forums and take all of their awesome tips to heart. You don't even know these people on these forums, so why should you trust them in their Forex background? If something seems too good to be true on any of these forums, it probably is. Number six is to follow what other traders are doing without even questioning things. Don't just go copy someone's trades blindly. I've witnessed so many people lose money by just copying other traders' signals. If you must try it and lose money to learn, then go for it. But I promise you, it's just not worth it. Number seven is to skip the whole trading plan thing. Just get into good trades when you see them. Once again, you can try this out, but you will soon start to feel like you have no plan, and you're going to feel like you're gambling and not progressing. You will want to give up very quickly because it will feel like you have no purpose or goal that you're striving toward. Or you can just create and follow your trading plan and skip all of that nonsense. Number eight is to only focus on how much you can make on each trade and not on how much you could possibly lose. If you don't trade with the right lot size and don't worry about how much you could lose, you will find that you will blow your account in no time. Number nine is to forget about setting a stop loss. You don't want to lose a single trade, so why would you set a stop loss, right? Stop losses are for losers. If you think like this, you will end up the loser. Not all trades will come back once they get into drawdown, so the longer you wait on trades like that without a stop loss, the more you will lose. To execute proper risk management, a stop loss is crucial. And finally, number 10 is to trade with your emotions. If you enter trades when you're feeling greedy and exit trades when you're scared, you will lose. Trading emotionally is a setup for failure in the Forex market. You want to be a machine with no emotion executing your trade plan. These are the quickest ways to lose your money, so just avoid all 10 of them. A lot of traders have made these mistakes when they first start trading, and I myself am part of that group. Hopefully you don't follow in my footsteps and you can get a bigger head start on things.
Hey, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you join our free Discord channel to get access to all the cheat sheets and a bunch of other cool bonuses. The next video in the course is right here.